Welcome, people. This is a walking tour of Marriott's 2612 timeshare villa suite. Welcome into our vacation paradise. As you walk in, you have an area to put your keys, your things, and a beautiful kitchen here to your right, fully stocked. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, New York Mets cooler, and NYPD hat. Sunscreen approved, cancer approved hat. We have a blender, we have a coffee maker, we have a full stove, a stainless steel dishwasher, of course. We aren't stocked yet, but we have just the essentials: water, soda, cranberry, and the most important thing in the freezer, Tito's handmade vodka. All right, as you look straight forward, outside the kitchen is a dining room with a chandelier, a big flat screen TV, looks to be about 50 inches. There's my beautiful bride. Hello, wave to everybody. And we're gonna continue the tour. Living room with a pull-out couch, beautiful pictures. You got 3 octagon-shaped windows that look out to the beautiful ocean. Here's a view from the living room. This is paradise, ladies and gentlemen. There's a door to go out straight and have our breakfast or coffee straight outside. And there's the bedroom. That's where the magic happens. Just to look back from the living room into the dining room. Here we are going into the master suite. There is a beautiful big king-size bed, which is very comfortable. We've stayed here, before. We got a whirlpool tub, a small sink / makeup area. Looks like about a 30-40 inch TV. Here's your balcony that leads outside. That was a kind of a tough tug. And then here's our view for beautiful sunsets in the morning. We're up on the second from the top floor, so it's almost the highest that you can get here in the Marriott. So here we go, looking back into the honeymoon suite. We go straight over to the hot tub, little hot tub action, and a little sink / makeup area, shower stall, turlet with beautiful picture. Hi guys, there I am. This is another sink. And then we go out into the secondary quarters. We have another lock off queen size bed with a little living room couch, 40 inch TV with a small little table and chairs outside with a beautiful view of the ocean. Beautiful, beautiful Aruba beaches. And looking back into the secondary suite, we have a section here which has a refrigerator, cabinets, microwave, sink, and then you have another bathroom in here. All the towels, toilet with toiletry, and a shower. So there you go. That completes the tour of room. Well, I don't even want to call it a room. This is a suite, villa, whatever, / timeshare. Marriott's 2612 and 2610. And we're going to leave you here on this 4-minute video. Say hello, babe, to everybody. We're not live. This is just an upload. Say hi. There she is, my beautiful baby. Day 2. Really, this is day 1 for us. So we'll be here for 7 days. 7 beautiful days and nights. So there you go. Guys, signing off from Aruba. Day 2. Our first day was just at a boutique hotel. This is our vacation here. I'll zoom you in a little bit so you get a quick pull in of the activities on the beach. That's where we'll be, right down there. Peace and love to everybody. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and leave me comments in the comment section below. Thank you for joining, And go to my website, dutyron.com, for more of everything Duty Ron. Peace and love, guys. Ciao for now.